What is up, YouTube? Today, in the second video of my series, we're going to install Pycharm with his front-end programming software for the Python language. The best one, I think, for me, personally. I like it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to download Pycharm. So we're going to look it up on Google, because they are under www.jetbrain.com. We're going to go to jetbrain.com. And we're going to download Pycharm. That's just that simple. That simple, that easy, that simple, that easy. Download Pycharm. We're going to download the community version because the professional costs money. I'm not really sure how much it costs. Let's look at it. Let's check it out. Oh, no. I didn't want to download that. Let's go back. Let's just download the free one. It's free, open source. Okay, so after we downloaded Pycharm, we're just going to go ahead and run it. I already have it installed on my system, but I'm going to do it anyway just to show you. Next, select the project that you want to install. Okay, well, I guess I can upgrade. No, I'm not uninstalling. We're just going to go to next. Next. I have a 64-bit system, so I'm going to choose 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit, choose 32-bit. I'm going to associate Pycharm with Python language.py. Click on next, next, and just sit there and wait for it to install. It's that simple. Okay, it looks like it's finishing up. Okay, now that Python is finished, Pycharm Community Edition is finished setting up. I'm just going to go ahead and click it, and we're going to go to run it, finish. You don't have to do none of this. Just push OK. And there you have it. Pycharm is loaded up. This is your system. I'm using the same configuration that I used in my last one. As you can see, I also have a program that I was doing here. Let me exit out of this. But there you have it. That simple, that easy, and now you can start programming excellent programs in Python. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos. Subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you next video.